Hi friends, my name is Tamara and this is my channel. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, good night from wherever you're watching and whatever time you're watching. So today I'll be making a flatbread pizza using my homemade pesto. I'll link that video in the cards. And cream cheese. It's creamy, it's delicious. Stay tuned, don't tune out. So thank you for watching. Thank me for cooking, even though it wasn't a lot of cooking. Stay true to yourself. Be kind to everybody. Peace out.